Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you can see now that we are done with setting up of the pond for Mr. Emmanuel in his backyard. Now, right now that the pond is set up, the next thing you have to do, don't forget if you're following my channel, is that you have to do the outlet. But we cannot construct the outlet until we flush in water to know the side where the water is leveled, that is the rate where the water falls. That is where you're going to cut for your outlet, and you'll be using this back nut to construct it. So I will still show you the process, but before I do that, I will be using the lime on the pond, because it is very important to know when I talk about alkalinity and acidity of water. For your pond, since it's a new pond, you have to make sure you lime it so that it can be well constructed. So you will lime at the first process before you put in water, and after your fertilization, when you've done your fertilization, you've cleaned your water, before you put in the water you used for stocking, you have to lime your pond again. So follow me, come and see the lime, and I will lime the pond. So liming is very, very important. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now you see that I've not cut the outlet yet. The meaning is that I'm putting in water in the pond for me to know where exactly the water is going to be highly concentrated. You know, based on the slope of the land, how slope it is, it shows that here is high, here is bed. So that means the example means that all the water will be coming in. You can see now, as I supply the water, all the water are first stored here. So that makes me to know that the best place for me to cut my outlet is here. That is to show that the best place to cut my outlet is here. So at the point of draining water, it will be obvious that once I cut my outlet to be here, all the water will be up. So now, for me to construct the outlet, you can do it yourself, and you can call your pump plumber, but I have my plumber, but then I'll just construct. You can see, this is it. So now I've seen where the water is highly concentrated, I'll lock my water, and then come in. Now this is the most sensitive part. Plumber, this is the most sensitive part of the construction, because as good as this tarpaulin is, if you make a wrong cut, then the whole board is fucked up. Because once you make a wrong cut and the tarpaulin is leaking, then you'll be having problem with your fishing. That means your pond will be leaking, no matter the pond water you put. Although since it's a normal soft ground, the soil will be consuming the water. However, you have to be very careful when you are cutting your pond for the outlet. So process of constructing the outlet, channeling it down to the underground tunnel that you can see there. You can see the underground tunnel. That's the underground tunnel where the water will be passing through, so as there won't be environmental pollution. So now, if you want to dig your own underground tunnel, you can consult any borehole engineer. They will do it for you. It's not too expensive. So after this, now what is left is fertilization. You can watch my video on fertilization. I already explained the process of going about fertilization. Don't forget, we have two different methods. It's either you use the organic manure system or the inorganic manure system. Now, given the fact that we are in a residential area, we'll be using the plantain leaf mode of fertilization. That is, we are going to stock this pond with water to about 3 feet and then cut plantain leaves and let them fill this pond so that they can generate different microorganisms. First habitate this house of the fish. So after 2 weeks of having the water and the leaf, they will have produced different microorganisms, mosquitoes and the likes. Then we flush out the water, use formalin to clean the water, and then put in fresh water after 2 weeks. Clean the pond, put in fresh water we want to use for stocking, and then your fish is ready. Your pond is ready for stocking. Then you can now stock your pond. So this is the process of erecting a pond, and we are done erecting a pond for Mr. Emmanuel, who conducted our services for the erection of this process. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button, comment, like, leave any question for us at the comment section. And also, but before we round up, we want you to hear a testimony from Mr. Emmanuel for what he has to say concerning this pond that we've done for him, because this is his pond at his backyard. He wants to be using it as a source of mini business. You know, as a man you have to just have different sources of income. So if you too, after listening to him, if you really want us to help you with your farm, you can consult us on 0067706651 or visit our website at www.go-a-farm.com, or you can just message me on WhatsApp, or just come to this YouTube, draw a message for us at the comment section at your any question or anything you want to learn from. Okay, so now before we round up, you can hear from Mr. Emmanuel what he has to say. So
actually, I'm so very grateful. I'm so very grateful. As in, I'm very surprised. As in, actually, I was kind of scared from very onset. Like, actually, is it possible? Is it not for me to sit by myself? I'm very grateful. Very grateful. And this is just the first one to start with. After this, I'm looking forward to do more fun. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So you've listened to Mr. Emmanuel. He has spoken well. You can see now, saying is believing. So if you want to construct any of your pond, be it anywhere in Nigeria, even outside Nigeria, once you are ready to pay for our services, we are ready to be there to render our services for you. So don't forget that G.O.A Farm always get you covered. Make sure you share this video and click on that subscribe button. You can leave any question for us at the comment section. On to the next video. Stay blessed.